Okay, people, I'm working off camera. You don't need to see my face. Today I want to show you something that very few people know about, and this is regarding drywall screws, which can be used for any woodwork. It can go through gypsum board into wood. The problem with them is most people use the wrong bits on them. Okay, so I've got a brand new PH2. This has never been used. It's a Chinese made bit. I'll bring it up close so you can see. It's a normal standard military issue PH2. And if you put it into a drywall screw, you will notice that it fits slightly loose. It doesn't go in all the way. And everyone knows from experience, after a while, this will start coming out on you because the Phillips was designed to come out, and it'll actually damage the screw heads, and the tips will get worse and worse and worse and worse. The other option you have is the Pozidriv bit. And if you fit this in here, you'll see it doesn't go in at all. It just sits at the top there. So this will start coming out from the first moment. And the correct bit to use is actually a bit with a Robertson profile, because this is what this design is. It's Robertson. It's not Phillips. It's not Pozidriv. It's Robertson. This bit I'm using here is from VoHA in Japan, and they've reduced the tip so that you can see what you're doing. And when you fit this, you'll see it goes in all the way. You can actually stand there. You can actually hold the screw up. It's not because it's magnetized. It just fits so well. So if you put it into practice, you can use an 18-volt drill like this, cordless drill. And all you have to do is get the torque setting to the right setting. And you can go into any gypsum board or wood. This is 32 mils thick. Below it is another 32 millimeters, but this one goes through this. It'll go into this one. And you can just go straight in, and you'll notice there's no cam out. You can tighten it up so that it's nice and flat like that. There's no cam out. You can do this over and over and over. The bit won't be damaged. This bit is in fact 20 times stronger than these two China bits here. It's made of a special VoHA-steel in Japan, and it's got superior torque, tip toughness, and durability compared to any other bit. And you can use this over and over and over. You can give it to your guys on site to work with. They will not damage it. And taking it out, so you can go in and out with this as many times as you want. The bit's not going to get damaged, and the screw heads are not going to get damaged. That's if I can get it on camera. I'm trying my best here. I'm working off camera. Okay, so let's see what happens if I use a nice long drywall screw like this. This one will go right through both 32 millimeter pieces of board. And I'm using the VoHA Drywaller bit again. It's brand name Drywaller, and it's got a reduced tip so that you can see what you're doing. And I've upped the torque a little bit, so because this is going to need more torque before it starts coming out on the slipping on me, the clutch. So you can go straight in like that. No cam out, no nothing. Just keep it perpendicular. And that very long bit is in there like nothing. And to get it out again, I can do this over and over and over. It'll never cam out. It'll never slip on me, nothing. Because this is the correct bit. Like I said, it's a Robertson profile on here. That's Robertson. So you can't use PH2 or Pozidriv on it. And it's called a Drywaller. Now, those of you interested in this, you can order this from me online. And these are drywall specific. So you cannot use them on Pozidriv or Phillips screws. They are drywall specific. It's a Robertson profile. VoHA in Japan has made these, the Drywaller. That's their trademark for this, with the reduced tip and the superior metal that they use, which will last forever and ever and ever and ever, unless you really screw it up and you're trying to break it. Otherwise, you're not going to break it, and it's not going to come out on you.